This video I'm going to tell you how to use perspective tool in the Snapseed application. So for that you need to click on tools, and here you can see a perspective. You can just click on perspective. Now you have various options to tilt your photos and adjust it in the frame. So for example, you have an option for tilting the photo. You can just slide it and your photo will be tilted. Okay, this will automatically fill out the blank. Okay, so you can just do it like this as well. Okay, so if I go to this, I can just click on rotate, and I can rotate my photo as well. Okay, so I click on this again, and I can just click on scale. I can scale this photo and stretch this photo as well. Okay, I can just do it in both sides. I can just click on this, and the last option is free. You can just click on this and you can just freely adjust your photo in any direction. You can scale it or do anything with your photo. Okay, it will automatically fill the blank spaces as well. But this is a very professional tool, so if you know how to use the Snapseed application very professionally, you can use this for tool in your benefits as well.